Hey everyone, let's go ahead and walk through how to add featured images to your company profile. I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account, navigate to the Company Profile Builder on the left. Next, you will see the Add Featured Images section on the right. Go ahead and click on that. Then click the Add Image button. First, we will choose an image from our files. Then we will give the image a title and a description. Last, we will click Submit. You can see on the right-hand side that this photo is pending. That is because changes may take up to 2 business days to be approved and published to your profile page. Now, just so we have a couple of photos to work with, I'm going to add a few more. Great, now that we have a couple of photos to work with, I'm going to show you how to reorder them so they appear in the right order on your profile page. First, click and hold the 6 dots to the left of the image, and then drag and drop wherever you would like the photo. Next, I'm going to explain how to edit the title and description of a photo. First, find the photo that you would like to edit the title or the description. Next, click the pencil icon to the right. For this image, I'm going to just change the name and then click Save Changes. Great. Now that these images are in the right order and we have edited the titles and descriptions, we will wait for approval. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh this page to see if the photos have been approved. Perfect. You can see on the right that the status has been changed from pending to approved. Last, to see what these images look like on your company profile, open up a new tab and go to bestcompany.com and find your profile page. This is an example of a solar company who uses featured images on their profile. You can see we can flip through them, we can click on an image, and see the title and the description that was given to that image. If you ever want to delete an image, go back to your Best Company account, click on Company Profile Builder. Now on the right, you will actually see your featured images. Go ahead and click the Edit button. Find the image that you would like to delete and then click the trash can icon. Perfect. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck adding featured images to your Best Company profile page.